Alright, and welcome back to another nerdy vlog. Today we are going to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge again to bring you the lightsaber building experience at Savi's workshop. So come along while we take you to Batuu. Welcome to Batuu. I didn't take very long. When you enter Star Wars Galaxy's Edge in Hollywood Studios Orlando, it can be a little complicated as to finding the entrance to Savi's. The Rebellion, or the the Rebellion has done a good job of disguising the storefront from the Empire or First Order, depending on which storyline you're following when you come here. So the First Order or Republic doesn't know exactly what's going on there. The key to look out for is a banner hanging outside the workshop, which will inform you, because you're on the inside, you're part of the Rebellion, as to what's going on in the workshop. Now that we have refreshed ourselves from our intergalactic travels to Batuu here, we're going to continue the trek to find the disguised storefront for the Savi's workshop lightsaber building experience. The entrance to the Savi's workshop is right here in the corner off of the Ronto Roasters. It's got the blue banner out in front, and if you're here before the park opens, like we are today, we were able to get into the park early with a reservation at Savi's, even though we were not staying at a Disney property. We were allowed in to meet with our builders here at 8:45. So we did get early admission for that. You can tell it's the correct place because there's a crowd forming. You have to check in with your reservation, and then you're escorted in to pick out the parts for your lightsaber. So let's go in. And we've checked in with the people at the front door, and now we're waiting in line with our fellow builders. There we go. It's still early. I've only had one coffee. And once you get all checked in and you get your cargo slip, you get this little card here, which tells them what kind of hilts that you chose, and you also get this pin, which acts as, I'm not exactly sure what that's for, I will have to research that. It's basically your ticket to build, and you get to keep it. It's a nice little souvenir from your build. And then we're all lined up here getting ready to go into the secret workshop to build our saber. Well,
excellent, thank you. Nice. Good. Thank you. Welcome to the workshop. I know it seems a little, well, a lot, but to us this is everything. I see you've all met the gatherers. Very good. You may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it, well, it is new junk. Thank you. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, abandoned places, forgotten outposts, and battle-ravaged planets. What we find, we bring here to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper may see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Yes?
Yes.
Very good. Well, now we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Ray.
Ray, yes. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have been searching for so long. And that's why you're here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It's elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is the reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. But enough talking. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. The blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red, the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we're here for you, our future. It's now time to select your Kyber crystal. Everyone, close your eyes to me. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. Crystal. Now, if you would, please place it on the green crystal holder in front of you. We will now pair your crystal with the unique lightsaber design that you've chosen. We'll begin by building the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the part that stops your hand from being disintegrated. Now in these boxes are the unique components of the lightsaber design that you yourselves have chosen. Very good. Now, in the boxes you'll find the chassis, activation plates, grips, pommel cap, and emitter. Building a lightsaber is a journey. you await your gatherer's final.
Campaign doesn't activate, up to activate, down means activate, okay?
Okay.
Congratulations.
Lovely. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Look, left-handed or right-handed?
Right-handed.
Right-handed? Yes. Your right hand will provide good grip with that.
Up to activate, down means activate, okay? Congratulations.
Excellent. Well done.
Thank you.
And a green crystal, yes?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, guys. Pretty good. And start to feel how it sits there in your grip. How those individual components affect how you hold it and how you'll wield it. Take a look at the balance. Now, is it heavier to... My, are we getting ahead of ourselves there? Let's take a look at the balance. Is it heavier towards the emitter? Towards the bottle cap? Or are you, as we should be, balanced in the center? The last part is a little more philosophical than physical, but if you can manage it, well done. Now, yes, pointing it away from yourself, also a good option. I tell you what, let's go safe. Place these hilts in the raised horizontal holder directly in front of you, and take a step back. That's it, in the holder. There we go. Gatherers, will now begin to stabilize your crystal for activation. This must be done with great care, skill, and timing, as a single inverted emitter or a cracked Kyber crystal. And well, we could have yet another hole in the roof of this workshop. Now, as we move forward into the next stage, what's happening?
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, on my signal, everyone will take a step forward. Place their hand on their hilt, and together, on my command, you will activate for the first time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. And activate! Builders! Raise your lightsabers! Hold them high! You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now, builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end. Your journey has just begun. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And who knows? Perhaps next time we may be telling your story. Now, builders, raise your sabers and activate! Till the spire, my friends! My friends say you did the first thing that way. Continue on your path. Right this way, my friends.